Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Peasy Classes. In this video, we shall be solving your homework questions on least common multiple using the shortcut methods. Alright, let's get started. Okay, you know the homework, how to do and how to submit. Okay, first question is find the LCM of 12 and 15. 12 and 15. One method that you can do it with the long division. You will write both the terms and you will start dividing with the common term. The common divider is 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, right? And 4 and 5 is there. 4 can be, okay, one prime number is coming here. So the prime number can be dealt with the prime number itself, right? 4 will come as it is, 5 ones are 5. Okay, now we are done. So now there is 1 and there is only 4. So even though you divide it by 2, it doesn't matter. You will get 4 itself when you multiply them. So you can take directly 4 in order to arrive at these ones. So when you get all the numbers as ones, you will stop the division. You will stop the division at this point. And now you will list down the least common multiple. They are 3 into 5 into 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 4s are is 60. This is the long division method. The LCM is 60 for these two numbers. So the shortcut method can also be done this way. You know the tables of 12 and 15. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 8s are 12 7s are 84, and so on. This will go up to 120, right? So 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 7s are 105, and so on up to 150, right? So do you find any common terms here? Do you find any common terms? The common term is 60 and 60, and it is the one of the least common term you can find in both the tables. So this is going to be a LCM. This is going to be a LCM. Okay, even without writing, just if you have a better memory of your tables, you can find the LCM by using this method. Let's go to the next question. We need to find the LCM of 6 12 and 15. 6 12 and 15. Okay, I will not do it through the long division method. If you don't know how to compare simultaneously all the three tables, then you can go for the long division method. The long division method is 6 12 and 15. 6 12 and 15. Common multiplier is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. And 2, we will take 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 5. Both are prime numbers. They have to go by prime numbers itself. So 5. So till you get ones in all the places, you will divide them. So you got ones, you will stop the division here. So the LCM would be 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 into 2 is 6, into 2 into 5 is 10, 6 into 10 is 60. 6 into 10 is 60. Alright, so 6 into 10 is 60. That means the least common multiple for these three numbers is 6. So you can do it this way also, and you can also do it the other way. What is the other way? If you know the tables very well, you can compare them mentally. You can compare three tables mentally and find out a common term which comes in 6 table, 12 table, and 15 table. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, and so on up to 60. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, up to 120. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 fours are 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, up to 150, right? The tables are like this. I'm not writing these middle terms because this is enough for me to compare. So the last term is 60. 12 fives are 60. 15 fours are 60. I think this is the only common thing which is there in all the three tables. So therefore, 60 is the LCM. LCM equal to 60 for the number 6, 12 and 15. Alright. Okay. So we need to find the LCM of 8, 6 and 12. See, now many of you will tell after looking at the previous example, sir, 3 tables all together we can't compare, sir. 3 table comparing together is quite difficult for us. We know, at least we know how to compare only 2 tables. You can do that. You can do it. You can answer the questions with that method also. If you are supposed to find the LCM of 3 numbers, pick up the largest 2 numbers, 2 larger numbers, leave out the least numbers. You don't have to consider this. Don't consider this for now. Take out the LCM of these 2 numbers, find the LCM for these 2 numbers, and try to divide with the least number. If it is divisible, then that is the LCM. That is the LCM of the number. If it is divisible, then the found out LCM is going to be the LCM of the least number as well. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do it. Let's do it. So the larger number are 8 and 12. The larger number are 8 and 12. So what is the number you get? 8 3s are 24, right? 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24 here. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s is 24 here. Therefore, 24 is going to be LCM of both 8 and 12, right? 24 is going to be both LCM of 8 and 12. Is 24 divisible by 6? Is 24 divisible by 6? Is 24 divisible by 6? 6 3s, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So you get the remainder one. So therefore, the LCM of all the 3 numbers is going to be 24 itself. 24 itself. Okay. Let's take up one more example. So 4, 8 and 14 is there. Pick up the larger numbers only, larger 2 numbers, 8 and 14, 8 and 14, right? So let us check what is their LCM. If you are not able to compare the tables, if you are not able to memorize and compare the tables, just go to this long division method. Directly switch over to this long division method. Okay, you don't have to waste your time. So you can start dividing with a common term. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14. And again 7 is a prime number. So you will divide 7 by 1. So there is only one even number is left. So you can directly take that number because there are no other common numbers with which you can take a common number to divide that number. 4 1s are 4 and 1. So now what is the LCM you get here? LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 4. So 2 7s is 14 into 4 will give you 56. Of course, 8 7s is 56, 14 4s is 56. 8 7s is 56, 14 4s is 56. And you need to check whether this 56 is divisible by 4 or not. Of course, it is divisible by 4. Here also you can see 4 14s is 56. 4 14s is 56. 4 14s is 56. So therefore, the LCM for all the 3 numbers is 56. All the 3 numbers, the LCM is 56. Okay, so here we need to find the LCM of 9 and 18. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Fine. And in 18, do we have 36? Yes. Second term is itself 18 2s is 36. So therefore, it is 36. Okay, and even if you want to do it through long division method, it remains the same. It won't change. So both the terms will go by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Right? So now what is the LCM of this number? LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9 into 2. 9 2s are is 18. 9 2s is 18. You get the same number again. Find the LCM of 18 and 16. 18 and 16. If you know the tables well, 18 8s are, 18 8s is equal to 144. 18 8s is 144 and 16 9s is 144. 16 9s is also 144. By comparing the tables itself, you can tell that the LCM is going to be 144. And if you want to do it in the long division method, you can go ahead and do it. Okay, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, and now odd number, even number. So 3 3s are 9, 8 will be there, 3 1s are 3, 8 will be there. Now only 8 is there, so 1 3 8 3 1 8 ones are 8. Okay, now divide the terms, sorry, multiply the terms. 2 into 3 into 3 into 8. So what you will get? So I will multiply these n terms and these two terms together in order to simplify it. So 3 3s are 9 into 2 8s is 16, 16 9s is 144. You will get the same LCM. You will get the same LCM in all the methods. Okay. But the easiest one is the comparing the tables if you know the tables well. So finding the LCM of 6 and 14. Again, this is also very easy. 6 7s is 42 and 14 3s is 42, right? So both are same. So that's why 42 is the LCM. As easy as that. You need to compare the tables. Or if you want to do it in the log division method, you can do that as well. 6 and 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 7 7 1s are 7. Okay, so what is the LCM now? What is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 7, which will give you 2 3s are 6 into 7, 6 7s is 42. Here also you will get the same number, 42 itself. Okay, let's go ahead. 6 14 and 21. Now you can take up the larger two numbers. 14 3s is 42, 14 3s is 42, 21 2s is 42. And you also know 6 7s is also 42. And this is the only common term which will come in all the three tables. And if you take only two terms and you found 42 to be the LCM, and check whether is it divisible by 6 or not. 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Therefore, 42, the number itself, is going to be the LCM for all the three numbers. This shortcut you already know. Okay, so let us take up one more example. 3 9 and 18. Take up the larger two numbers. 9 4s is 36, 18 2s is 36, and this is the shortest one. So that is LCM for these two numbers will be 36. Is it divisible by 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Yes, it is divisible. So therefore this number is going to be the LCM for 3, 9 and 18 as well. This is going to be 36 number is going to be LCM for all the three numbers with this method. So let's take up one more example. 16 4s is 64, 16 4s is 64, 32 2s is 64, 32 2s is 64. So if you know, this is the common figure here, common multiple. So 64 is going to be LCM for these two numbers only. But what about 4? Just check whether it is divisible 4 or not. 4 1s are 4, 2 remains, 4 6 are 24. It is completely divisible. So therefore 64 is going to be the LCM for 4, 16 and 32. 4, 16 and 32. Okay. So find the LCM for 7, 14 and 21. 7, 14 and 21. Pick up the larger two numbers only. 14 3s is 42. 21 2s is 42. So 7 6 is also 42. This method also you can find it easily. Suppose you only want to find two numbers and you want to check whether this number is LCM for this or not, then what you need to do? Pick up 42, divide it by 7, check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. It is divisible. 7 6 is 42. So therefore 42 is LCM for 7, 14 and 21. For all the three numbers, LCM is going to be 42. Alright. 5, 10 and 15. Same method. Pick up the larger two numbers. 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 15 2s is 30. So 30 is the LCM for these two numbers. Check whether 30 is divisible by the first number, least number 5 or not. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. When it is divisible, you can say the LCM for all the three numbers is 30. Even if you do it the long division method, you will find the same answer. Let us do it for, I think we are done with the homework. This was the last question. Even if you want to do it with the long division method, let me show you the long division method as well. Okay. So 5, 10, 15. You will write. You will start dividing with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 2 and 3 is there. 2 1s are 2, 2, 3 won't go. So 3 is also there. 3 1s are 3. Okay. So you got the LCM as what? LCM is equal to multiplication of these numbers. 5 into 2 into 3. So what is it? 5 2s are 10 into 3, which will give you 30. See, same 30 here also, you get the same 30. So in the long division method as well, you will get the same answer, but try to identify with the help of tables itself. So that is the reason you all are writing the tables every day. With this, I would like to conclude this video. If there are any doubts, you can put it in the comment section below. And if you want to contact me, you can always contact me. With this, I am concluding this video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.